Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good day I bid to Encik Yusuf bin Masod. My name is Nurul Adila binti Abdul Rashid from class AC220MD1. Today, I would like to present my technical report assessment for course code ADE402 Digital Printing Fundamentals. This semester, we are required to create a digital printed project by utilizing any digital printing technique to create a creative printed communication. Therefore, this technical report will explain about the details regarding my chosen client from the initial stage, which is the background research, concept exploration, concept refinement, and finally, the print production processes. Without further ado, let me start with the background of the project. Firstly, my chosen client's name is Laradov Sendram Berhad, which produces 3 favorite fishkin snacks called Pihapi. The name of project is Pihapi Complimentary Gift Box for Hari Raya Edition. Next is the client's information. Pihapi's headquarters is located at Solaris Dutamas, Kuala Lumpur. Its product category is gourmet snacks with fishkins as their main ingredients. Its mission is to give the best fishkin produced anyone can taste, and its vision is to become a well-known business in snack industries in Malaysia. Most customers make repeated purchases since the product price is reasonable. The fishkins product is available on online shopping platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, Jubilee, and others. The purpose of the study is to help in developing a promotional and attractive design for Pihapi using digital printing process by creating a complimentary gift box specifically for Hari Raya Aidilfitri season. Next is the problem statement. Lack of brand awareness on the Pihapi's fishkins products is why I decided to introduce an interesting packaging to increase customers' desire to buy the products. The objective of the project is to design and produce personalized packaging Pihapi fishkins according to the digital print production workflow. So, these are the 3 flavored fishkin products that Pihapi produces at the price of RM7.99 for 50 grams. Next, I will discuss the opportunity identification for the project by using SWOT analysis. For the strength, the complimentary gift box can attract customers into purchasing 6 Pihapi fishkin products in order to get an attractive packaging. For the weakness, the company needs to bear additional costs for the production of complimentary gift box, and the production is limited. The opportunity is that the company will be able to introduce the product to the new customers and therefore increase brand awareness, which ultimately generates sales. And lastly, the threat is that the gift box can be easily imitated. Therefore, the company need to find fresh new ideas. In the concept exploration stage, the plan is to produce and test numerous ideas based on the research to produce attractive design for the complimentary gift box. Throughout this phase, sketches, mood boards, graphic concepts, and mock-ups will be delivered. The design and graphic concept will be generated based on the sketches, color palette, mood boards, and choice of fonts or typography. So, here are the 4 sketches generated at this stage. Sketch 1, Sketch 2, Sketch 3, and Sketch 4. On the other hand, I also included the color palette for Pihapi's logo and the design color as well as the mood board to develop the design. For the typography, there are 3 different fonts used, which are Rehat, Hansit, and Myrat Pro Regular. Apart from that, there are also 4 graphic concept designs made based on the sketches by using Adobe Illustrator. Graphic Concept 1, Graphic Concept 2, Graphic Concept 3, and Graphic Concept 4. Finally, this is the prototype for the project. Moving forward is the concept refinement stage where technical specification is being detailed out. Firstly, static or variable. Since the packaging is personalized for every customer's online purchase, it will be considered as variable since it has the variable data printing process. The customer's name will be printed on the packaging and will be delivered to their doorstep. For the quantity, the production is limited to 500 pieces only since the packaging is specifically for Hari Raya. And here's the technical specification, which is the open size, closed size, bleed, paper type, which is art card, and coated paper, and the paper weight is 400 GSM. Number of pages is 1, which is one-sided print, and the folding type is right angle fold, and the colors is 4 color CMYK. And lastly, the printing machine is using UV inkjet printer, and the brand name is Plamac. Now, let me explain regarding the pre-press workflow. The first process is the design concept. It is to explore and develop ideas to generate catchy design based on the mood board. I did my research by browsing through Pinterest, Behance, and Freepik. The images selected is based on Hari Raya Aidilfitri themes such as ketupat, pelita, stars, Islamic pattern, and also Pihapi streak mark, which is the hunting ninja. Next is the image preparation and correction. The Pihapi's logo is retrieved from Google and set as a vector image using Adobe Illustrator. For the hunting ninja, I draw and vectorize the image so fishkin image can be put on the ninja's hand. The image resolution are also set according to print requirement. The dark blue background used to enhance the image in front to bring the mood of Friday night. The following process is layout and composition. It involves text, images, and color to make up a complete layout for the packaging. The fonts used is downloaded from DaFont, and the text Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri reflect the theme of the packaging. All elements are arranged accordingly within the packaging. I also make sure the design is balanced and have bleed or safe area before the printing process. After I have finished with the editing using Adobe Illustrator, PDF creation file is generated. It is to create a design file with the same quality, font, and composition. The next process is pre-flag. It is to check the exported PDF for its accuracy and printability and finalizing the design file before it is ready to be printed. The pre-press activities is now complete. Moving on with the press workflow. After the print-ready PDF file is generated, I send the file to the printer through WhatsApp. The printing process runs smoothly as the printer did not encounter any problems. The packaging is then being printed by a UV inkjet printer based on the technical specification that is mentioned earlier. UV printing is a form of digital printing that uses ultraviolet lights to dry or cure ink as it is printed. The total volume of ink is used, and this can greatly reduce the overall cost of printing. It can also provide fast drying and capable to print on uneven surface. Moreover, UV inks can catch and reflect lights, which also helps to boost readability. So, this is the printer shop located at Kanjang Semene. The following slide shows the time-lapse video and some images during and after the printing process. Moving forward is the post-press workflow. After the printing job, the packaging will undergo a finishing process. The first process is matte lamination. Matte lamination produces an elegant, sophisticated finish. It also provides a softer, more natural look that makes it easier to read the printed piece. Next is the digital cutting. Digital cutting is suitable because the packaging has a unique shape and the process is quick. And finally is creasing and folding. The purpose is to make a well-defined folding lines which facilitate the folding operation and provide the conditions for the packaging to obtain its intended shape and function. After all of the process has been completed, I then pick up the packaging myself at the store. The next part of the presentation is the variable data printing process. Since the packaging is personalized for each customer, I need to input the data on the customer's name in the Google spreadsheet and save it as a CSV file. The file is linked to the Pihapi's file in the Adobe Illustrator. All variable data of customer's name that is generated will ease the printing process. The next slide shows the outcome of inserting variable data of customer's name. Finally, here are some of the videos on the visualization of the Pihapi complimentary gift box for Hari Raya edition. And the next is the images of the packaging. Front view, up view, back view, and also side view. Before I end my presentation, let me highlight some of the challenges during the completion of the project. At the research and designing stage, meeting clients' demand at a short period of time can be difficult since I am lacking in using Adobe Illustrator. But somehow I learned it slowly. Before the printing process, I encountered difficulties in finding a suitable printing shop since most printing shops only accept minimum order quantity of 500 pieces. The location of the shop is also far. Moreover, most shop does not have the desired size since the packaging is too big for them. Some shop does not provide finishing process and I need to do it manually. However, I am grateful to be able to find a suitable printer at a reasonable price and all of my requirements and technical specifications are fulfilled. That is all from me. Thank you for your attention and bye-bye.